Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to CUBOT X19 S. First of all, open Play Store on both devices, click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Following that, download this app from this developer and open it. Then click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on CUBOT. After that, click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take some time though, so I will go only in Photos category, select one of them and tap on Send. Then click Got it, and from here, as you can see, we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on CUBOT, then tap on Allow and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to check it out for sure though, you can always go into, in my case, Photos, select Library and find Send Anywhere folder. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!